Hi, my name's Barb Riordan, and I'm the president of the Mid-Vancouver Island Habitat Enhancement Society. Today we're working on a section of Shelly Creek that we did some restoration work on this summer. We're planting trees and shrubs to naturalize the area, and this is in partnership with the Snaw-naw-as First Nation. They've actually purchased and delivered the trees and shrubs that we are planting. Shelly Creek is a very important stream in Parksville for coho salmon spawning and for rearing young. And over the decades, it's filled up with sediment and invasive species and basically choked off the habitat. So since 2015, we've been doing restoration work on Shelly Creek, and we're just about finished here. So very satisfying. Thanks.